Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Today we are going to see about the Unit 2. In history, we are going to see Unit 2. In this Unit 2, we are going to see the human evolution. Human evolutions means parallel evolutions. Human evolution means is the lengthy process of change by which people originated from ape-like ancestor. According to the scientist, the human physical and behavioral traits have evolved over a period of about 6 million years. 6 million years. ஹியூமன் எவால்யூஷன்னா என்னது தமிழில் அப்படின்னா பரிணாமம். என்னது பரிணாமம். In this lesson we are going to know about the organs of humans and we are going to learn about the different stages of human evolution from nomadic hunting gathering to a settled lives, and we are going to know about the how they use of fire and wheel and what is the scientific of the rock paintings on the ancient humans. To know about the stones implements of the prehistoric humans, we are going to learn in this unit. See in this one, before 460 crore years, Earth evolves. Before 20 lakhs years, man starts to work. Before 3 lakhs years, spread over the earth. They went all the places. Okay, and 80,000 years they are started the cultivations and they found civilization. Now we are living as a modern man. See, here dialogue is going there. Yes or no? Tamilini. Who is that girl? Tamilini. She is studying a class 6th. She went to the science center accompanied by her grandmother and she saw one type of machine there. Okay, saw a time machine there. She saw some time machine. The operator of the time machine explained the working of the machine. அது எப்படி ஒர்க் ஆகும்னு சொல்லி என்ன செஞ்சாங்க, அது பண்ணுறதை பார்த்தா. ஸோ operator saying, if you press different buttons in the machines, it would take you to the chosen period of time. You enjoy the experience of watching different periods of time using this machine. After listening to this operator, both Tamilini and grandmother decide to the experience of the time machines. She went to the science center and she watched one machine, that is time machine. If you press that machine, we can see different period of time. Then Tamilini said, can we go forward and see how 2200 ADC means what? Common era. Yes or no? Yeah, would be grandma அப்படினு சொல்லி அவ கேக்குறா. So what is so interesting about our future in 2200? Let's go backward and see how our past was like. How the past period is that, so we can go to that period. Sound right, grandma, she said very happily, and she pushed the button to 1950 CE. So they saw most அந்த பட்டன் நமக்கு உடனே எந்தெந்த வருஷத்தில் என்னென்ன நடந்ததுங்கிறத என்ன செய்யலாம், பார்த்துக்கிடலாமா. அதனால் என்ன செஞ்சுருக்காங்க, 1950 என்ன செஞ்சுருக்காங்க, பட்டன் அமுக்கி பார்த்துருக்காங்க. They saw mostly people was walking, few riding bicycle, buses appearing rarely on the roads. So slowly they moved back to the 1850. They pressed one by one buttons and they saw what happened in that years. So 1950 they saw some riding bicycle in the road, buses on the road appearing in the road, rarely, not nowadays. Nowadays few seconds is going so many buses. Yes or no? But there was no buses In the 1850, there was no buses, no cycles, charts only pulled by the bullocks on the road, and horse drawn also was the race occurrence in the road. Tamilini then turned to the 80,000 years back. 80,000 years back, people was managed with the crops and livestock. She pushed the button to get a picture of life 18 years ago. So that day, that year, she saw some living humans are living in the caves. They use stones, made stones for the tools for hunting purpose, and they for hunting purpose they used bones also. So Tamilini was very frightened by the hunting scene and pushed the button forward to return to the present. See, for few years before, there is no cycle in 18,000 like that. There is no cycle, no buses, no cars, no traveling aeroplane, nothing is there. Just they have rarely one or two buses, or they mostly they are used with the wheel, invention of the wheel. They use houses, charts, and some people they don't have houses, they will live in the caves only. So grandma, are you afraid? நீ அதை பார்த்து பயந்துட்டியா அப்படின்னு சொல்லி அவங்க கேட்குறாங்க. Grandma agreed. Tamilini go to further backward to see the Asian humans who lived with the apes. But Tamilini was inclined, so both of them left the spot. அந்த இடத்த விட்டு அவங்க என்ன செஞ்சுட்டாங்க, பயந்து என்ன செஞ்சுட்டாங்க, வெளியே வந்துட்டாங்க. இப்படிலாம் வாழ்ந்துருக்காங்களா? How they lived with these peoples? They are getting afraid from that place and they left that spot. Tamilini, grandma, will you tell me the story of evolution of humans? எனக்கு பழைய காலத்து பரிணாமங்களை பற்றி உங்களால் சொல்ல முடியுமா அப்படின்னு சொல்லி தமிழினி கேட்குறா. Grandma, yes, certainly. Anthropologists have unearthed the footprints of humans in a country called Tanzania, which in the Eastern Africa. They were found in rock beds, some rich under the sand. One of the anthropologists we came to know how the peoples are lived in these places. About the footprints, we came to know about them. Okay, that was founded in the rock beds. அவங்க நடந்த தடங்களை வச்சு என்ன செஞ்சாங்க, இங்கெல்லாம் மனுஷங்க வந்திருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லி என்ன செஞ்சுருக்காங்க, கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்காங்க. Archaeology is a study of prehistoric humans. Remained material used by the prehistoric humans. Excavated materials remains are the main sources for archaeological studies. Already we studied in the first lesson also. Yes, children? In that one, who will study about the prehistoric humans? Archaeology. See, they will get some material remains. Excavated means தோண்டி எடுக்கப்பட்ட அந்த எடுக்கதான பொருட்களை வச்சு that materials they came to know about what the main sources in the prehistoric humans. See, in this one, see in your picture 121, page number 121. First one is Australopithecus. See, this man is one of the mixed human and apes trait bendel walking with on the two legs. Between the 4 million and the 2 million evolved in the Eastern Africa, means southern la seriya, Eastern Africa, the human where we walk. Okay, the human where we walk. This is this picture is a human stages, how the human evolutions was improved. Okay, so we can go see now. See, first human beings passed through the several stages of evolutions. So this process of evolutions was very slow and brought many changes in the life of humans and ultimately transformed the living of human beings. So first the who came in the human beings? The earliest human beings were known as hominid. ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்த மனுஷனோட பேர் என்ன சொன்னாங்க? ஹோமினிட். They appeared on the earth 4 to 5 million years ago. 4 to 5 millions ago. Here 2 to 4 millions Homo habilis, that Australopithecus. They came in the 2 million years, between to 4. That is hominid also we can say. Okay children. Next part we are going to see Homo habilis. They came between 2.3 to 1.4. Homo habilis was the first human beings who walked like a man. They will walk like animals using their hands and legs. So hominids learned to walk erect over a period of 1.5 millions. Hominid என்ன செஞ்சாங்க? 1.5 millions இயர்ஸில் நிமிந்து நடக்க ஆரம்பித்தாங்க. ஆனால் ஹோமோபிலிஸ் எப்படி நடந்தாங்களா? How they walked? They walked like animals using their hands and legs. Here presence of big toe to hold tightly and less protecting face tool makers. They are the one of the proto-human. Okay. Homo erectus. Homo erectus means they will walk erect over. They will learn to walk. Okay. They will walk straight position. They will walk in their straight position. So they only had a knowledge of fire. How the fire came? How its fire came? They pressed one or two stones. From that stones the fire will be come. So which period the fire came? Which period children? In the Homo erectus period only the fire is started. They found the fire. Now Neanderthal. See, it is a different from Americans. Their tools were crude. Neanderthals means they were the subspecies of Homo sapiens. கிளை இனங்கள் சொல்லுவோம். சரியா? They were the subspecies of this Homo sapiens. The remains of Neanderthals have been found all over the India, but where they are recovered in the Neanderthal in Germany. So human beings pass to the several stages of evolution. So the process of evolution was very slow and brought many changes in the life and ultimately transformed the lives of human beings. கடைசியா இறுதியில மனிதன் வாழ்க்கை என்ன செஞ்சிட்டு மாறிட்டு. சரியா? Homo sapiens, what I said, he is one of the first human being. Yes, the modern human, they hunting, gathering, society. Still they used crude stone tools. They moved out of the Africa and settled in the Europe and Asia. Next, Cramons, the present man. Now modern man, yes or no? Being of human life, they used a metal stone but also of the bone. Their weapons include harpoons and spear throwers. அவங்க என்ன பண்ணாங்க? ஃபஸ்ட்டு கல்லை வச்சு என்ன செஞ்சாங்க? ஹண்ட் பண்ணாங்க. அப்படி தானே? வேட்டையாடினாங்க. ஹண்டிங்னா என்னது? வேட்டையாடுதல். The human in that period, human could make crude implements and weapons of stones such as a hammer, axe, head, chopper, like that. So which were fairly large in size and made of hard stone. See, they are found the fire also. See, they might have been discovered with the sparks formed while making different tools. When the two stones were rubbed against each other, the sparking will become. Yes, from this sparking they used for cooking, keeping themselves warm and frightening away the wild animals. Now you got it, children, how they lived. First they are walking as a two legs only, and they erected and started to walk. Okay, and they make the hunting hills because they don't have a hunting skills. They are poor, so they make the tools as a crude, as a stone. Okay, so next how they got it, they are one of the evidence of the burning the death. So evidence are seen in the Neanderthal in Germany. So Homo sapiens also one of the modern man only. He is gathered the hunting and gathering society. So with the hunting and gathering they use the crude stone implements. Children, did you understand now? Now, anthropology. Already I said anthropology is one of the study of the humans and evolutionary history. So this anthropology is derived from the two Greek words. Anthropos means what? That is man or human. Logos means what? That is thought or reason. So human thoughts. Anthropology means human thoughts. This attempt by the investigating the whole range of human development and their behavior, and they achieve some description of the cultural of the social. Okay, social, what is the phenomena is there, they can be understood. So what the use? Radiocarbon dating. What is the use? Radiocarbon dating means what? Do you know, children? Radiocarbon dating is used to find out the age of excavated materials. First, our peoples are lived in the caves. Yes or no? Yeah, trees, branches of trees, mountain ranges only they are lived. So after that only they are moved one place to another place. How they are hunting in the ancient methods of hunting? The hunting was one of the main occupation for them. They used tools made of stones and bones for hunting, and they used sharpened weapons. They will dig and put that animals and they will be hunt. Okay. So what are the characteristics of Homo sapiens? Homo sapiens had the appearance of man. So they used crude stones implements, and they engaged in hunting and gathering. See, radiocarbon dating is used to, what I said, to find out the age of excavated material. See, it was found out that the footprints of human, they are discovered in the 3.5 million years old. When there are sudden changes in the nature, the living being adapt themselves to the changes and survive. Humans have thus evolved over millions of years, adapting themselves to the changing time. அவங்க காலங்கள் மாற மாற அவங்க தன்னை என்ன செஞ்சுக்கிட்டாங்களா, மாற்றிக்கிட்டாங்க. சரியா? The human is evolved over millions of years, adapting themselves to the changing times. Okay, next side we will see in the next class. Okay, children, that day we wrote 6 questions in first unit. Yes or no? Yeah, 6 unit we wrote in the first unit. Now we are going to write balance questions 7th and 8th. Okay, what we wrote that day? All of you take your classwork note first. All of you take your classwork note, then only you came to know. Okay, that day we wrote 6 questions. Answer the following. 7th question today we are going to write. They wish to record their activities through the paintings on rocks. Painting is the past of their past events. 8th question, name any 2 artifacts. Write neatly, children. Don't ever never skip the video. You watch all the video, then only you can understand. Okay, children? Small question only to. Did you finish? Now answer the following in details, otherwise write hearts. Okay, no problem. First question, how dogs are useful to prehistoric man? How the dogs are useful for them? It is the sweeping power, so they can find out other wild animals. If can enters into their caves, they can be find. Yes or no? And they will prevent the entry of the dangerous animals, and it help them in hunting and productions also. And second question, compare the lifestyle of Stone Age with the present day lifestyle. Write it fast. Did you finish, children? See, in the old Stone Age, man was a nomad, but in present day, we are settled in village and towns. They took shelter. அவங்க தங்கியிருந்தது எங்கே இருந்தாங்களா? Branches of trees, in holes and caves. But now we are living in the building house. Yes, we build the house and we are living there. Third one, wore dresses made of the leaves, skins of animals and barks of trees. Here wear dresses made of cotton and other materials. They wear only skin of animals, barks of trees or leaves. But now we are wearing different materials. Yes or no? Yeah. They ate vegetable, fruits and roots which are they gathered from the jungle. But now we are eating all kinds of food grains. Yes. Badam, pista, all we are eating. Yes or no, children? Yeah, very good. They are civilized. Now we are well civilized. Write it fast. Write fast, children. Now all of you write the homework. I hope you are finished the classwork. All of you write the homework. Okay children, today homework only 5 questions. Write it fast. You find this answer from your book pages. Whatever we learned today, that only. Okay children, it will come from the book. First one is material dash material remains are the main source of archaeological studies. What is the material? From the material we can get some sources. So you find from your book. Okay. Dash moved out of Africa and settled in Europe and Asia. And third one, anthropology is the study of dash and dash history. Dash people lived in the caves. Learn to live in caves. Fifth one, dash is used to find out the age of the excavated materials. Write neatly, write today's date and write unit 2. Okay. Did you finish children? Children, every day you study 1 or 2 questions. Today I gave the small question, 2 question is there. Yes, that one you study it. Write it and see. Okay, write and see, that is good for you. Okay children, be safe. Always keep your hand clean. So maintain the social distance. Thank you children.